Hi y'all, welcome to number 9 Blacksmith Shop here at number 9 Mining Museum in Lansford, Pennsylvania. My name is Chris. I'm a resident blacksmith here. Today we're going to be making a pin for our hinge. We're going to make a decorative pin by using different techniques to make it into a leaf at the end of it. Now I've already taken it over the edge of my anvil and shouldered it, and now I'm going to be drawing it out and making it into that leaf hook down. So I'm going to kick on the blower and get started. This is 1/2-inch mild stock steel. Great stuff to work with. So now we got a nice, what we call a blank. Heat up one more time. Just a little bit, switch hammers. Start cutting it out. One more time. Got a nice anthracite coal fire here. Instead of bituminous, which most blacksmiths use, here at number 9 we use anthracite. Got a nice blank for leaf now. Now we're going to take a fullering tool here and put the veins in. Put the nice tooling marks in there. There's a nice vein in the middle. Heat it up one more time here. We're going to put it on top of the fire. We don't need much heat for that to heat up. Switch over to one of our sharper tools. There's no dirt in it. Now we got nice veining that you see into that thing too. Next part, we're going to draw this part out right here, and then we'll be ready for our hinge. We'll see the finished project on our website. Thank you guys for visiting the number 9 Forge and Blacksmith Shop. Have a nice day. See ya.